Guyut Vainswild. Place face down and round effect. When the opponent uses a faction play to affect your highest card, reveal and move any 2 cards from their side of the board to your loyalist. If your highest value card is protected, your next highest card will count. So, a few turns ago, say I placed Guyut Vainswild down on the board to protect my 16 in case they try to attack it. So, if they do use a faction play to kill or move him, then what will happen is, once they finish their play, he'll reveal himself and his effect would trigger. Because it won't stop them from doing their play, but because it doesn't stop them, you get a nice little bonus from it. So let's say they kill that, and I'll move the 7 and the 9 from their side to my side. So that's quite a big swing, but there's also the second rule at the bottom there. So let's say we place it back over here, and then 16. If I have my 16 protected by the queen, let's say, so that same protection from Guyut will then fall to my 10, because that's my next highest card. So let's say I have my 16 protected, so they think they're safe to go ahead and attack my 10, not realizing that his protection then falls to that as well. So they try to kill him with the faction play, so he will still die, but then I can flip him over, and then I'll again take the 9 and the 7. That's Guyut Vainswild.